Hey guys, welcome back to Is Code Easy, and in this very new tutorial we are going to actually introduce you all with comments in Python, and we'll be giving you an exact overview what comments are in Python. So watch the video till the end in order to grasp the concept of comments in Python. So first of all, let me open up my PyCharm. You can also open up yours PyCharm and then code with me so that you'll be able to understand it better. Let it load the components. So now it's just about to be opened and my file is actually opened up. Now you can see I have four things right here. I will remove them first of all. We will be starting by printing something. Okay, so most of the videos I do start my videos by printing something. So let's print something. Let's print this is my channel. Okay, so this is my channel. Okay, now let's print it up. So actually we have got this thing right here. This is my channel. But again, there is nothing new in this. We have actually talked this in a lot of videos. Okay, so there is nothing new. It's very easy to print something in the console. So if I actually put a hash before it, now let's do it again. Nothing's printed. You can see nothing's printed. Now why nothing is printed? Because actually if I put a hash before any of the statement in Python, it becomes a comment, and comments are not compiled by the compiler. So this statement isn't compiled by the compiler because it has become a comment right here. You can see a hash is there. Okay, so this hash means it is a comment. Okay, and of course this whole statement isn't executed because it's a comment. So let's do another example. Okay, so we'll be creating another example first of all. Okay, let's try to create a program, a simple program, which will be actually taking a I variable which is equal to 3. Okay, and then taking a v variable which is equal to I plus 7. Okay, then we are going to print v. Okay, we are going to print v. Now if I will print v, it will of course give me 10 because 7 plus 3 equals 10. And we actually not going to see that thing because we are here to learn about comments. We are not here to learn about calculations or printing things up. If you wanted to learn about printing things up and calculations, you can watch the second video of this series so that you will be having a better understanding of what we are doing right here. Okay, so now let's see that what are comments. If I actually wanted to write something right here, if I write it to something right here, this is a v variable or data type. I wanted to write something right here because when you will create bigger programs, or when you will create programs of 1,000 lines or something like 100 pages, then it will be very difficult for you to remember what this variable is, why I have created this variable. So in order to get satisfied about requirements, that how you can actually remember things up. If you don't know what this variable contains, you cannot edit your code afterwards in the future. So we comment up. If I actually run this code now, you can see an error occurred because this is a v variable or data type is an invalid syntax. But if I put a hash before it, then this line of code will not be compiled by the compiler. So we can write anything. If I wanted to write here something like this, this is my new channel. Okay, so then this code will not be compiled if I put a hash before it. Okay, and if you wanted to know the shortcut key of commenting things up, is control slash. Okay, if you will put control slash, or you will press control plus slash, or if you're a Mac user, you must have to press command plus slash so that it will be commented out inside of Python. Okay, so this is how we use comments actually. Let's see another example. If I comment the whole up, okay, now everything is commented up. Now if I create a big program, if I actually create a very big programs of something like 1,000 lines, I'll not be able to remember anything if I open the program after 1 or 2 months. It will actually mess up right there. If I open it up, I'll see what's going on right there. I don't understand what's this written and why I have created this variable. I was drunk. Something like that would happen, okay? So in order to get satisfied by that problem, comments are there. We can simply, if I create a variable v will be equal to, okay? So now if I wanted to tell afterward that this variable is for my name. This is for my name, okay? So I can actually see that this variable is for my name. Okay, so this variable is for my name, and I'll get to know that okay, this variable is made for my name. So this is how we use comments actually. Now let me comment it up. This is how we actually use comments. You can also use them inside of your code to document your code, so that you'll be able to, whenever you will open up your code after a lot of time, so that you'll be able to understand that what I have written in the previous session. Okay, and I actually suggest you that whatever I teach in my videos, you just write the code and comment it up, so that there will be a record that you have written this, that you have written this in the second tutorial, in the third tutorial you have done this programs, and there will be a whole bunch of documents for yourself. In order to, if you forget things up, you can just see your comments, and then you will be able to grasp things up again. So that's much for this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button, and if you actually wanted to get notified about the upcoming videos, so actually subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. So that's much for this video. I will see you in the next video.